Hi there, students. Liminal, an adjective. I guess liminally as an adverb, and I think probably as a noun, liminality. Okay, if something is described as liminal, it's between two states, it's in the middle, it's on the threshold of becoming something else, it's right in the middle. Let's see, liminal means something that belongs to a threshold. Okay, so this word threshold I probably ought to define. The threshold is a doorway. So the threshold to a house is the front door. Yes, so the threshold is like a boundary between two things. So something that is liminal is on this boundary belonging to two different states. Yeah, the liminal state between being awake and being asleep. Okay, you're sort of awake and sort of asleep. You're in the middle, you're between the two. Yeah, your mind is liminally placed between the two. It's effectively in the middle. The patient was in a liminal space between life and death. Okay. Maybe you know the word subliminal. If something is subliminal, it's below the threshold or below the level that you can actually perceive it. So it's still there, but you can't, you don't actually notice it. Yeah? So subliminal advertising is advertising that comes in, but you don't actually know it's there. Maybe it was in the film, but so fast that you couldn't see it. So it was subliminal. Okay, so liminal, between two states. Yeah, I quite like the noun liminality. Liminality is the state you are in where you go from one thing to another. For example, you're at university and you're studying for your degree and you've finished all your exams and you've passed all your exams, but you haven't actually, your name hasn't been printed and you haven't officially been given your degree. So you're in this middle stage where, yes, you're no longer an undergraduate, but you're not a graduate yet either. So you still hold the status technically of an undergraduate because you haven't been officially given your degree. And this is the idea of liminality, between two stages. Or for example, during a ritual, I don't know, you make somebody a priest. Okay, they've been through all the training and they are during the ordination ceremony to ordain to make a priest. Okay, so they are in a state of liminality. They haven't finished the ritual yet, so they haven't attained the new status. They're between the two states. Okay, so if something is liminal, it's on the threshold of changing, or in a state in the middle between two different things, in an intermediate state, yeah, on the threshold. Okay, so he is in a liminal state of half dead, yeah, or the liminal state of when you're not awake and you're not asleep. Okay, so between two things. He's neither posh nor is he working class. He's effectively of some liminal class between the two. He's got a bit of both, but he isn't actually either. You can also use liminal, meaning part of the first stage of a process, something that's inchoate, something that's marginal, something that's coming on. So yeah, I guess he's a liminal graduate. He's still studying for his degree. Okay, liminal. This is quite a formal word. I think I'd give it a 7.5, maybe even an 8 in formality. The word subliminal, that's quite fairly common. I'd probably give that a 6. And then liminal, well, from Latin, liminalis, from limen, a doorstep or a threshold. So it's an entrance. Yeah? Okay, so limen is the sill, is the doorstep to go over. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Liminal.